Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Honorable Ma'am Murti Ayu, MPD, as the lecturer of Seminar on English Language Teaching subject, let me introduce myself. My name is Talia Rizky Ananda. I'm from class 7B, English Education Department 2018, Teacher Training and Education Faculty of Sultan Agung Tirtayasa University. This video was made to fulfill final examination of Seminar on English Language Teaching subject, and I would like to present about my research proposal with the title The Effectiveness of Using TED Talks Video in Improving Students' Public Speaking Skill at 11th grade of SMN 1 Kota Serang. So the first I would like to explain about chapter 1 introduction. The first is research background. In order to follow the development of international language, the learners are required to understand English language and apply it in their daily life. In order to be competent in English, there are 4 skills that should be mastered. There are reading, writing, listening, and speaking. In this research, the researcher focuses on speaking skill, especially in public speaking, because speaking skill is needed to help students to communicate and socialize with other people. Video is one of the media in teaching and learning. According to Sherman, video is a wonderful resource for opening up the English language world and can be used with great pleasure. Therefore, video is useful in teaching and learning process because it provides interesting visual media, so teaching learning process will be fun. There are many kind of video. Some of them is TED Talks video, technology, entertainment, and design. TED Talks is a kind of public speaking in the form of sharing experience and giving motivation to audience. TED presentation is used to improve students' public speaking skill in English. It's useful for students because the students not only learn about public speaking but also learning about the speaker's life, so that they can be inspired by and motivated by the speakers. TED Talks are totally authentic as the speakers share their own personal experience, stories, ideas with the audience, so that TED Talks is an appropriate media that can be used in speaking. So next is about the research questions. Is the use of TED Talks video can improve public speaking skills of 11th grade students of SMN 1 Kota Serang? And the second slide is about research objectives and research significance. The research objective is, first, the study is to know to which extent the use of TED Talks video improves students' speaking skills for academic purposes. And the second is to know whether or not teaching speaking by using TED Talks can improve the students' public speaking skill. And next is research significance. Theoretically, the present study is of importance for the teaching English public speaking skill. TED Talks can help students understand and improve their interest to learn public speaking. It also helps students learn how to be a good speaker as they learn in that video. Instead of helping students to improve public speaking skills, watching TED Talks can help improve teaching quality. And the next chapter is about literature review. The first is about public speaking. The definition of public speaking is according to Merriam-Webster in 2015, public speaking is the act or process of making speeches in public and the art of effective oral communication with an audience. Public speaking is classified into 3 types. The first is informative speech, the second is persuasive speech, and the third is occasion speech. And the next is TED Talks, Technology, Entertainment, and Design Talks. According to TED.com, TED, Technology, Entertainment, and Design Talks, has been providing intellectually stimulating presentations since 1984. TED presentations are delivered by non-native and native speakers of English and available in over 40 languages. Educators have been utilizing these valuable learning materials since Tests were initially put online in 2007. TED is global community and has mission to spread ideas. They believe with these ideas, they can change attitudes, lives, and ultimately the world. On TED.com, they are building a clearinghouse of free knowledge from the world's most inspired thinkers. And the last chapter is about the research methodology. First is research design. The researchers conduct an experimental research. And experimental research is a quantitative approach designed to find out effect of presumed cause. And the population and sample of this research is 70 students of the 11th grade of SMN 1 Kota Serang. And the data collection technique. The data were gained by pre-experimental teaching and giving pre-test and post-test to the students. So that's all about my research proposal. I'm sorry if there's many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.